Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming credentials and connection details. This prevents wasted steps. Open your chosen client, GUI if you prefer visuals, CLI for scripting. Once ready, test reachability with ping or a quick TCP check on port 21. Make sure firewalls or VPNs aren't blocking traffic. If using FTPS or SFTP, select the secure option now. Then initiate the connection and observe the server greeting. If it fails, recheck address and port, because many problems are simple typos. Once connected, navigate to the right folders on both sides. This avoids misplaced uploads. Use binary mode for images, archives, executables, and ASCII for plain text. Incorrect mode corrupts files. Drag and drop in GUI, or use put/get/mput/mget in CLI, and employ resume options for interrupted transfers. For scripts and permissions, set correct modes after upload. If transferring many files, consider zipping first. You reduce overhead and preserve structure. Monitor transfer log. To finish, verify integrity by comparing checksums or file sizes. This tells you whether the transfer succeeded. Then set permissions and ownership so the server can use the files. Use chmod or chown where required. Once done, close the session cleanly to free resources. If something goes wrong, check client and server logs, try resuming the transfer, and test an alternative client or the secure SFTP protocol. Often switching modes or reattempting with resume fixes transient network or timeout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.